Hello everyone. So this is the 42nd day of my algorithmic trading challenge. Now, today's market actually we opened a little bit gap down. Okay, not a little bit, but a lot. Like from yesterday, it was close to 0.25%, almost 50 points in this VIX regime. Okay, so immediately this first 5-minute candle was almost 0.2%. Okay. So this was almost 35 points, and then it stayed in a range for a very small period. Okay, that is till 10:15 it stayed, or you can consider it till here. So it's till 10:30 or something it stayed in the range, and then it broke down and then came up, and then a big fall came. Okay, a big fall from almost 10:25 to 11:55. All right. So with this fall, what happened was the premiums of Nifty, Banknifty as well as Finnifty, everything exploded. Okay, so as today is Wednesday, so I was trading Nifty and Banknifty and Finnifty. So I don't select index based on days. I trade all of the indexes on each and every day. All right. So now I'll just give you the reason in some time. So all the indexes actually have been traded today. Now at this particular time, right? At this was, I think, yeah, this was 12 o'clock. So at this time, the spike actually, it cooled down a bit here. All right. And I sold a short straddle. I mean, that is not by manual intervention. I was actually sleeping by this time, so I woke up at around 12:30 or something. So by this time, my one of the short straddles in Finnifty, it got sold. Now you see the market range from here, okay? Now it went up only 0.36% and it ended up settling at only 44 points. But there was from in this particular time period, right? There was a massive time decay, theta decay of close to 50 point itself. All right. So that is why the spike, when it is on the way down, you should always try to capture that. Now the second spike, second straddle, I think it was sold at. No, I have a channel where I send all the messages. So see, this was the first alert at 11:52, and the second alert at when the premium got spiked by 44.65 points, it was at 11:55. Now this one got triggered at, sorry, this one got triggered at 12:01, and the second one, or the lesser premium one, it got triggered at 14:34. So let me see where 14:34 in chart is actually. Yeah, so it is somewhere here. Okay, now you see from here and here how many points Finnifty moved. It's only 10 points, right? But the decay, I'm going to show you the decay next. All right, so all right, so let me first show you Finnifty. All right, so the first time was 12 o'clock here somewhere, like it was like 263 or something. All right, I closed at somewhere close to 225. Okay, and then 14:30 it was at around 250. Again I closed at 225. Now what happened in these two trades, it's like the theta decay was there, as well as it was there on both the legs, like call and put both together. It gave me a very nice profit, and actually none of my stop losses were hit in either in this down move or in this up move, and finally it settled at at a lower price of at a very low price here. All right, so this is Nifty, right? In Nifty, why I said a while back that I trade all the index. Now you see this candle which is at 15 o'clock. Okay, it is 40 points, or just check the percentage. It is 0.22. All right, so let me open Finnifty next. That 2.22 in negative side. All right. Now the same candle in Finnifty was only 0.18. That too a green candle was made. And then see the violent up move that came in Finnifty. And actually this Finnifty as well as Banknifty, I'll also show you Banknifty. Sorry, the behavior was almost the same, but the move, actually these moves were which made me come out in profit. Now another thing is that some of the theta trades that I have taken here, not the put stop loss as well as the call stop loss, none of the stop losses were hit throughout the day. Okay, so I captured some good delta in this move. Okay, so all the delta trades which were taken till I think, yeah, till this period were in loss, and then every trade taken from this period onwards, this period was like completely profitable for me. So what I ended up with a net profit of 5,400. That is only 0.2%. But let me explain some more scenarios on Nifty chart. Okay, so if Nifty, if after 14 o'clock, see, this was my maximum profitable point, I think, yeah, with this candle or this candle. If after this point, if Fin Nifty would have went down like 0.5% more, then I would have been like closing at almost close to 2% today. Okay, if Nifty would have stayed somewhere like flat or something, I would have closed with 1%. Or let me take the third scenario. If Nifty would have it would have shot up close to 2% or something, which is like next to impossible. It's just like it was going like this, and then after 15 o'clock, if there was a jolt in this like Bank Nifty and all, I would have again made like 1.5 or odd percent, or maybe 1% on the up move. On the down move, like I was completely bearish from this side. Okay, and if the down move had continued, I would have made close to 2% today. Now let me show you the chart of my PNL, how it behaved. See, I was like bearish from the word go, and then it like kept on with every single up move, my PNL used to move close to 0.2%. Okay, and at this particular moment, the theta decay started to kick in. But from this point on, there was a up move. Okay, and this was the point where all my call stop losses were taken out. And thankfully, like I'm very thankful to Nifty and Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that this particular up move in the PNL, it's all because of Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So I hope you got the point of why should we trade all the indexes on all the days. Even when it is Bank Nifty expiry, you should trade Fin Nifty in some quantity at least, so that if the sometimes in Fin Nifty also there can be a very nice decay, or if there is some very nice move, your delta trades will do better in Fin Nifty when compared to Bank Nifty or Nifty on expiry. So yeah, I have to just tell all of this today. So I'll hope for first of all that there should not be any glitch tomorrow, and second, that there should be a calm expiry, not like what happened today. If tomorrow the same thing happens, I'll be closing minus 1%. So let me hope for a better expiry tomorrow, and then yeah, see you all tomorrow then. Take care. Bye bye.